Hi guys! My first trunk club arrived. Trunk club.
Whoa.
Check out the box. Trunk club. Oh, we gotta turn it around. Hold up.
Why are you doing this in the video?
My first trunk club arrived. And it's pretty cool. This is a subscription service. If you're interested in getting clothes sent to you without having to go to the mall and having them sent to your door, you fill out a style profile and they just arrive in the mail on your door, and it actually kind of looks like a trunk even, like it has this little handle and like fake briefcase. And so what I did is I just went to trunkclub.com and I filled out a profile of kind of the things that I like, the styles that I like for clothing. And I'm actually going on a trip out east, and I'm from California, so I have like no winter clothes. So I pretty much wanted some long sleeves and sweaters and winter types of things to keep me warm on the trip. And I kind of gave them my style, and I'm super anxious to see if they hit the mark. They sent if you can go online and like see what they're sending you and approve it before it comes. So I have an idea of what's here, but it's not exact. She threw in a couple extra things, my stylist did, and then also it's not the same when you see a picture online versus touching and feeling the fabric and trying it on. So I like to help moms save time, and though I love to shop, unfortunately with 3 kids of my own, I don't have the time to shop like I used to. And if you think about all the time it takes to just look through magazines and stay on top of fashion, and then actually drive to the mall, get to the mall, come back to the mall, it's not always something that I have time to do anymore. So let's see what's inside. So excited. My daughter is over here. She's supposed to be sleeping, of course, but she is over here because she's so excited to see what's inside too. So we'll get her in here in a little bit. But all right.
Why not now?
Why not now, she says. There's not room. I gotta show them what's in here. Okay, so, okay, wow, so exciting. So, let's see. Have you guys ever gotten Trunk Club before? I'd love to know.
Trunk Club anyway?
Trunk Club is actually owned by Nordstrom now. And it's kind of like, I've done Stitch Fix before, and I kind of like that Trunk Club was Nordstrom since I like to shop there. Here they just Trunk Club for the holidays. Featured trunks. Can you see that? Featured trunks. Just a little promotion. We can't wait to see what's inside Trunk Club. So, hello Stephanie. Just a minute, Ashley, okay?
What's your name?
It says get the most out of... There she is. Okay, so try on the clothes. Tell us what you think. Make your selections. And basically,
cool. What's this stuff?
Oh, this is to send it back if you're not interested in keeping it. But it looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items in here. Oh, these? I don't really know. There's something to do with mailing. Oh, I don't really. Okay, so let's see what's in here. So it looks like first there's a beautiful pink shirt.
Ooh, pretty.
I'm just going to quickly like fold everything up so you can just kind of see, and then we'll be done. So this looks super cute. It's like a long sleeve. Ashley loves pink. A long sleeve shirt, kind of drapey, and it's a light pink.
Hello, hello, hello.
Next, something from, I think that was Free People. Yeah, that was a Free People shirt. I love Free People. And this is a halogen sweater. It's like a really lightweight sweater.
Pretty, pretty.
With a little tie knot in the bottom.
Does it come like this?
Well, this is the tag if we don't want to keep it. Okay, excuse me, honey.
Okay.
Sit here. Okay, so there's that. And then it looks like there's a sweater. Do this quickly here, but it's kind of fun to see what's inside. So these are all things I guess I could get at Nordstrom if I just had the time to go. This is cute. It's like a gray sweater, and then on the back it has this little twist knot to make it kind of fun. Ashley, settle down. And jeans.
Ooh,
Jeans.
pretty.
Jeans always take forever to try on, and I've been actually lucky with Stitch Fix. They've found, like, I'd say like every other pair of jeans they send me actually work. These look promising. They're kind of like a skinny jean.
They look like my uncomfortable one.
They look like Ashley's uncomfortable jeans, she says. We'll try them on. I'm not going to try them on here now, but that looks like she threw in a jacket.
Ooh, jacket.
It's like a leather moto jacket.
I like that jacket. It has zip pockets.
Yep,
Does it
that's
have secret pockets?
You check it out for me, okay?
Okay.
And then, goodness, there's so much stuff in here. With Stitch Fix, you get 5 items, and you either, if you keep them all, you get 25% off your whole purchase. But I think I've only kept them all one time out of, I've had maybe like 10 or so Stitch Fixes, so I kept the whole thing one time. Usually I don't like absolutely everything.
It doesn't have secret pockets.
Okay, so the next thing is,
But it was more than one pocket.
like a blue, free people, light blue, long sleeve,
Pretty.
really light sweater.
Hello.
And then a red top.
Pretty.
Cute. That's a little dressier. It looks like it's like a really pretty color, actually.
Pretty.
I like it. I like that color.
Pretty.
But not super warm.
No. Not
And then, let's see. Just
only for
reviewing what I-
dressy activities.
Ashley and I are just opening my very first Trunk Club package.
I thought you did it before. You only talked.
I did Stitch Fix before, and I've had some really good luck with Stitch Fix, but Trunk Club is a first. It's owned by Nordstrom, so all the Nordstrom clothes are obviously love to shop there. Don't always have the time. So I told them I was going out east for a trip. I needed some warm clothes, and here's kind of what they sent based on my style profile. So this is like a, I don't know if you can see. Can you see that? It has like a bell sleeve,
It's
like trendy thing right now.
Hello.
It's so soft. Feel how soft it is.
Is it soft? I
Super
like wearing this.
I don't think it's your size, Ash.
Ew, why don't they have my size?
And then, let's see. This is a jacket by Free People. It's kind of like an olive-y gray color.
What's this thingy?
And
Mom, what's
that's kind of
this?
fun.
What's this?
It's very long. And it's kind of like a fleece sweatshirt on the inside. So I'm not sure about New York. We'll see. See? And then the last thing, Ashley, sit down. Sit down. Last thing they sent are a pair of shoes. So when I when I signed up for my style profile, they kind of let you preview what they picked for you, and you can say yes or no and kind of adjust a little bit. And these shoes looked so cute, but they're kind of expensive. I don't know if I'm going to keep them or not, but let's see. They're like lace-up booties.
I like.
She likes everything.
No, I don't.
Cute.
I don't like bad person.
Okay. So lace-up booties. I don't know. What do you think,
Booty?
guys? Yes?
Booty
No?
like treasure? Like they're so good, you want them to be treasure?
They are like a treasure. So that's it. That's the Trunk Club box. So after I've filled out my profile, they send me these things, and I get to try them all on, see what I think, and then I just pop them back in the mail if I don't want them, and if I do, then they charge my credit card. There's a $25 styling fee, I think, if you don't keep something, but if you do, it gets applied to whatever you keep. And I can't imagine not keeping one thing here, so I'm pretty excited. So again, like, I think it's worth a try. We'll see how it goes. But this is a great way to save time shopping, and I just do not have time to shop. I wish I did, because I love it, but I guess I could make time. Ashley likes the shoes. What do you guys think of the shoes? I'm dying over the shoes, but they're not cheap, so I gotta think about that. So anyways, thanks for watching, you guys, and let me know what you think.
Thirsty.
Gotta get Ashley something to drink. Let me know what you think about Trunk Club if you've tried it before. Like I said, I've done Stitch Fix and had some success with that, but I've never done Trunk Club. It's my first time.
You have texts already.
Yeah, a couple people. Hi, Stacy. Hi, Paula. A couple people are watching. It's great to see you guys. Have you ever tried a subscription box service for clothes? I'm curious if you have time to shop. I'm so jealous because I just don't. So let me know what you think, and if you have tried it, and if you have any comments on the clothes I showed you, what to keep, what not to keep for my trip out east this weekend. So anyways, it's good to see you guys, and I'll be back again soon. Maybe I'll tell you what I kept. I gotta get her something to drink. So thanks again, and we'll talk to you soon, guys. Thanks, bye.
Bye, bye.